Welcome to our channel. If you're upgrading to a new iPhone and want to transfer all your data, follow these step-by-step instructions for a seamless transition. Step 1. Make sure your old iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for the best transfer experience. Step 2. Back up your old iPhone to iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name, select iCloud, then tap iCloud Backup and Backup Now. Step 3. Turn on your new iPhone and place it near your old iPhone. The Quick Start screen should appear automatically. Step 4. On your old iPhone, tap Continue when the Quick Start screen appears, then hold your old iPhone over the new one. Step 5. Position the animation that appears on the new iPhone within the viewfinder on your old iPhone. Step 6. Enter your old iPhone's passcode on the new iPhone when prompted. Step 7. Set up Face ID or Touch ID on your new iPhone by following the on-screen instructions. Step 8. Choose Transfer from iPhone to directly transfer data from your old iPhone to the new one wirelessly. Step 9. Keep both iPhones close together and plugged into power during the transfer process. The time required depends on your data size. Step 10. Once the transfer is complete, your new iPhone will restart and all your apps, photos, and settings will be available. Step 11. Sign in to any apps that require authentication and verify that all your data has transferred successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.